This is what she wanted, but with a little twist. And this is what she's going to get. What's up, good people? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, so much welcome and please make sure you subscribe. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So as you can see in today's video, we are doing a client's hair, and for this case, we are doing cornrows at the front and braids at the back. That's normal braids. For the lines, you can call them cornrows or Ghanaian braids or lines or Abuja braids or lines, whichever word you want to use. So watch this video to the end so that you can get to learn how to do braids. And also, just a tip, for convenience, you can put this video on a playback speed that suits you well. Of course, you understand yourself and you know what's convenient for you and you know at what speed can you learn. So maybe at some parts I've fast forwarded the video, I've put on a times 2 speed. You can reduce that to zero point 0.5 or you can increase it to times 4. Depends with how fast you can learn. So watch the video to the end and get to learn how to do your braids. Make sure you like this video as you watch. Comment what you think about it and tell me in the comments which other style you want me to show you guys how to do. And also in case you want to book your hair appointment, I'll leave the number on the screen. Make sure you DM the number or you can also get to me through my contacts in the description box. Yeah, make your booking. Mapema ndo best. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and also comment something in the comment section. Let's interact. Yeah, and turn on your post notification if you haven't already so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you guys for the love so far, the support. I thank you and I really appreciate and I love you all. The 2000 of you, I really don't take you for granted. Thank you so much. Yeah, so let's watch this video and get to learn more about hair. So I'm gonna leave the video to play. I want you to learn by seeing and pay attention on the hair.
I awoke all alone on a Sunday playing games with the names in my head. It's a shame I can't change. Maybe one day you come crawling back to me instead. We keep spinning in this game, no one's winning. If we just take a little more time, I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. It just takes a little time. Some might say there's a way to be open and honest with the voice in your head. It's okay, I can't blame you for hoping it all works out the right way instead. It's no secret, I know that we can keep it beside this picture of you and I. But I could breathe and relieve the anxiety just knowing you'll always be mine. Maybe I believe in the language of love. It's written in the heavens and the stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. Maybe there is something you and I can do. Just try to close your eyes, make believe that it's true. I know stars up above. It takes a little patience, but if you give enough, it'll work out right. Maybe there is something you and I can do. Just try to close your eyes, make believe that it's true. I know that it's waiting there for just me and you in the air tonight. It just takes a little time. All blend like a friendly hello from beyond. In the constant relief that the very things I believe in are all here when I wake, and they wait for me when I am gone. I'm on my way back to you, just like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. It's always raining, every day feels the same now. I keep trying to stay like the man I know I should be. But this place and these folks always poking their nose in your business. It's enough to drive anyone out of their mind, even me. Are all empty here tonight. I won't waste any more time. Maybe I should have saved these words for someone else. I'm taking the time I need today. I don't care about yesterday. This old heart of mine kinda broke itself. The photos in a frame telling me that I'm to blame. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Time is slowly moving on. Some have stayed and some have gone. How I wish things had stayed the same with you. Like you wanted me to. I stayed away long enough to get some help. I'm taking the time I need to say just what I should have said that day. But this old heart of mine kinda broke itself. Yeah, this old heart